Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to connect two Sceptre monitors to your computer the correct way. So this is a common confusion because monitors don't actually connect to each other. They both connect to your PC or your laptop. So first of all, you need to check the computer's video outputs. You need to look for the HDMI port, the display ports, DVI or VGA ports. So to run two monitors, you will need two usable outputs. Now, if your PC has multiple ports, this will be very easy. So first of all, you need to plug the first monitor into the HDMI port or the display port. Afterwards, you need to plug the second monitor into another available port. So it should look something like this. Now, if your laptop has only one HDMI port, you have three options. You can use USB to HDMI adapter, or you can use a docking station, or you can even use a USB-C hub if your laptop supports the video output through USB-C. So once you have done that, you just have to simply open the display settings. For that, just right click on the start menu. Over here among the given options, simply look for the option of the display settings. If you are not able to find it here, click on the taskbar and then click on the option of taskbar settings. In the taskbar settings, simply go to the systems and then click on the option of display. Over here in the display, you just have to scroll down and look for the option of the detect. If the second monitor doesn't appear here, you will also see the advanced display settings, so you can take a look at the dynamics of your display here. So it is going to show you the number of displays that you are currently using. Plus here in the system as well, you will see the multiple displays input. So select this option and among the given options, look for the option of extend these displays. So duplicate means both the screen show the same thing, but if you select the extend, it means that you get extra workspace across both the monitors. So after doing this, you will be able to basically start using two monitors together that are connected to your PC or your laptop. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.